Well, I've been working on these 10-foot logging wheels, but I've got a set of buggy wheels here that have been around for several years, kind of gathering dust, but they need to go home. So I'm going to tackle those today. They have steel tires on them, but we need to put rubber on them. They are an older set of wheels, but they're really in pretty good shape. The fellows aren't bad, but they're getting to where they're maybe a little more marginal. I have one spoke here that's pretty warped, so I'll probably replace that. But other than that, I'm just going to take the fellows off, the steel tires off. And so in order to keep these to the original outside diameter, I'm going to move the fellows down into this section, which will be removing this, cutting new tendons on the spoke, putting on new fellies, and then putting the hard rubber tires on after I set the channel iron. So if you've been following along, or perhaps if you're kind of new to the channel, I do have a playlist that is geared toward all this type of stuff, light buggy wheels, heavy wagon wheels, and my goal has been to create a video library that covers all these type of topics, and that's where you can use the playlist and go back and find sections on light buggy wheels, heavy wheels, cannon wheels, 1,000-pound wheels, and 1,500-pound wheels. Well, that's kind of the process of sizing down a set of wheels that is originally steel tires and keeping them the original diameter when the rubber tire is put on. Cutting those spokes down, putting on a shorter felly, and then the rubber makes up for the difference. Now there's some pros and cons of doing this. The pros are, of course, keeping the wheels the same diameter, so the turning radius is the same. The front wheels are going to come up and hit the side of the box at the same place. They'll have to have a roller put on to accommodate the rubber instead of a steel plate for the steel tires. The drawback or the con to this is these old warped spokes. You know, there's no way of really guaranteeing that these wheels are going to run true because of the warpage in these old aged spokes. So I took out the worst one, but there's still a little bit of warp in some of the others. So the end result, you won't know really till you put them on the buggy. So anyway, that's kind of the process. You can watch the full process in different phases in more in depth, again, through the playlist of light buggy wheels, putting on hard rubber tires, much more details in this. Anyway, appreciate you following along. Thanks for watching.